Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Automatic pot stirrer. Patented hands-free stirring. Stirs your soups, stews, risottos, chili, polenta, sauces, caramelized onions, cheese curds, and much more to your desired creaminess and consistency. Gently sweeps the pot bottom and prevents food burning and pot scorching. Self-adjusts to full range of pot sizes, 6 to 9 inches in diameter and 3 to 9 inches in depth. Quiet high-torque motor stirs for up to 10 hours per charge, depending on food viscosity, with only 1 hour recharging. Can also be plugged in for continuous operation. Variable speed operation with max speed 1.5x faster than previous generation StirMate. Attachments available: stainless steel stirrer, thermometer kit, and OMNAXL extra large pot, up to 6 gallon stirrer. Sold separately. The StirMate OmniXL stainless steel stirring attachment for wide and deep pots up to 5 gallon sizes. Air fryer. Less fat. Now enjoy guilt-free food. Air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Wide temperature range. 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. Family size capacity. 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate fit 2 pounds of French fries. 4in, 1 versatility. Includes for versatile cooking programs: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Dehydrate, create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods for fun, homemade snacks. The combination of low fan speed and low temperature enables thorough dehydration. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe parts including the basket and crisper plate. Wipe to clean machine exterior. What's included? Shark air fryer, 4-quart non-stick basket, crisper plate, and 20 recipe booklet. Food dehydrator machine. 10 presets customization. This electric food dehydrator features 10 preset programs for effortless operation. Easily select the precise time and temperature using the LED control panel. Customize settings to suit various food types, ensuring the best taste and retaining the food's original flavor. With a timer range of 1 to 48 hours and temperatures from 165 degrees Fahrenheit, it adapts perfectly to your needs. The automatic shut-off function ensures safety and consistent results, requiring minimal supervision for worry-free food dehydration. Powerful 850W with efficient airflow. Equipped with an 850W heating element and a rear-mounted fan, this jerky dehydrator ensures powerful heat distribution and horizontal air circulation for consistent, even drying. Enjoy faster dehydration and superior results while saving energy. Make oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. BPA-free safe. Crafted from BPA-free glass, this olive oil dispenser bottle is odorless, non-toxic, and heat-resistant. It's a safe and healthy addition to your kitchen essentials for everyday cooking. Salt and pepper grinder. High-quality glass brushed stainless steel salt and pepper mill set. Home EC salt and pepper mills are easy to grip and made of the highest grade non-corrosive, brushed stainless steel, and BPA-free glass bottle. This salt grinder and pepper grinder set is a modern, classy, and user-friendly addition to your kitchen accessories. Perfect for a gourmet meal or dinner party. Great gift or party favor. Asterisk salt and pepper not included. Easily adjustable ceramic grinder. Our salt and pepper shakers have a larger heavy-duty ceramic rotor than competitors. Just twist the knob at the top of each salt and pepper shaker to set your desired coarseness of salt, pepper, or spice. An authentic home EC salt and pepper mill pair and funnel arrive in branded packaging with a foam tray to protect your salt and pepper grinder mills. Chef ebook will be emailed. Non-stick set car sauté pan. Hexclad's patented hybrid tech utilizes tri-ply construction. Aluminum between two layers of stainless steel laser-etched with our hexagonal non-stick surface to deliver the searing power of stainless, durability of cast iron, and easy cleanup of non-stick. This deep sauté pan boasts a large cooking surface and has a 7-quart volume, which means you can fry up tons of chicken, braise large pieces of meat, poach a bunch of eggs, or roast an entire chicken. Hexclad products that are sold by Hexclad Cookware are backed by a lifetime warranty from manufacturer's defects. Commercial and restaurant use excluded. Your purchase includes one Hexclad 7-quart sauté pan and one tempered glass lid. The 7-quart sauté pan measures approximately 12 inches in diameter, 3.5 inches in height, and 5 pounds in weight. Measuring cups. Multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, and 1 cup, and 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, and 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs for cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups are made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon is made of premium food-grade stainless steel point, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. The stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cup set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon has engraved clearly the size mark. No more guests in the kitchen. Guarantee. Tyluk offers 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. Cutting board. Double-sided cutting board. This double-sided cutting board is made of 304 stainless steel and wheat straw PP, 304 stainless steel for cutting raw-cooked meat, and wheat straw face for cutting vegetables. Fruit. Kitchen stainless steel cutting board is BPA-free, sturdy, and durable, and can be in direct contact with food, healthy and safe. Easy to clean and store. Simply wash the kitchen chopping board with gentle soap by hand or place it in the dishwasher for thorough cleaning. There is a portable part on the cutting board for easy carrying and hanging. Widely used, these cutting boards greatly satisfy your cutting needs, whether for cutting vegetables, carving meat, or prepping a garnish. You can bring it anywhere. You can even bring it out to picnic or camping. Ninger camping cutting board. 2-in-1 cutting board. Foldable sink can be used to wash dishes, vegetables, fruits. Collapsible cutting board can be used to cut meat, vegetables, and fruits, also used as a storage basket for storing various foods and drinks, which effectively save your money, time, and space. Durable material camping sink are made of premium material, strong and durable, not easily deformed. Could be folded repeatedly without warp. The handle is strong and comfortable to carry. The feet are raised and reinforced for more stable and sturdy. 30 mm extra thickness provides a better durability, easy to use. Space-saving portable design. Multifunctional chopping board designed ergonomic, convenient storage, and space-saving design. Cutting board are fold-away, so they do not take up too much room in your kitchen cupboards, which portable and easy to clean. Electric can opener. Effortless can opening. Hands-free operation, smoothly opens cans with minimal effort. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly along the side of cans, leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Thoughtful gift idea. A practical and versatile gift for family and friends. Suitable for kitchen enthusiasts and anyone seeking convenience. User-friendly design. Ergonomic design allows for strain-free use. Ideal for elderly individuals and those with limited hand strength. Convenient cooking. Save energy and simplify meal prep with a tool designed for easy and efficient use. Power source. Requires 4AA alkaline batteries, not included. For best performance, use fresh alkaline batteries.